Okay guys, so you're going to need 2 items to help clean your lashes. The first item that you're going to need are Q-tips. So you're just gonna need 2 of them. And the next item is gonna be a face toner. So I use my Ole Henriksen oil balancing toner, and you can use any face toner that you have. Anything that has alcohol in it will be helpful. I haven't tried using rubbing alcohol before to clean my lashes, but I think that is another product that can help you get that job done. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by putting a little bit of the toner on the Q-tip like this. And then I just like to rub it on the lashes like so. And I like to take my time when I'm doing this. And I always do it on top of a paper towel. That way it can soak up all the liquid coming from your toner. So you guys can see all the residue from the lashes right here on the paper towel. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna keep going like that. So once I have gotten most of the eyeshadow off the lashes, I like to take off the excess glue. Did you guys see that? Like that. It helps take off that glue easily. The alcohol from the toner, it helps you get rid of that excess glue without ripping out the eyelash bristles. Alright guys, here are the eyelashes. I finished cleaning both of them. Now these are not going to look so perfect because I have worn these lashes more than 10 times. I mean, I'm not even kidding you guys. I like to recycle my eyelashes because, like I mentioned, eyelashes are really expensive. So I try to clean them up, make sure that I am storing them safely and not leaving them with makeup every time I take them off. I try to clean them immediately when I take them off. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.